I'm just waking up. It's 7 o'clock here, Sunday morning. I'm about to go to get some golf in. We're going to the driving range first, then we're having tea time. But I just want to talk about why we're in Cobra and why we bought. I gave a call to buy Cobra 85% cheaper over at patreon.com/learncrypto. And again, 40% cheaper for free right here on Twitter. I hope you guys are following along. Cobra is going to be launching the official Mong Dex. It's going to have all assets that are paired exclusively with Mong, along with some other meme coins like Shib, like Pepe, like Floki, and really trying to be the Dex of the people, where a lot of community projects will have an easy-to-use point-and-click DEX, no having to copy and paste contract addresses, and of course, a lot of these trading fees and a lot of the utilities are going to flow back to Cobra token holders. If Cobra's price goes higher, it drags Mong price higher as well. This is why we're part of Cobra. Cobra is still only a $1.1 million market cap here. There's no reason this thing shouldn't be 20% of market share compared to Mong, which would put it at about 2 million to 2.5 million market cap right now, which is another 100 to 150%. So take advantage of it. If you wanted to get into these kind of plays, 85% cheaper, join us at patreon.com/learncrypto. If you want to be in these type of plays, 40% cheaper, follow me here on Twitter. And if you don't, then I guess follow along, join with all the Jeets later in the cycle, and be left behind. Keep just holding spot Bitcoin only. I mean, we have that in our portfolio, but that's not going to create life-changing gains for you like some of these other projects will.